Savage Sullivan Math here. Welcome back. Today we're going to be graphing using reflections. I'm going to show you how to reflect in the x-axis. The x-axis, of course, is right here. So that's going to be our line of reflection. So if we were to fold this paper on the x-axis, my pre-image, which is currently drawn, will match up exactly with my image, which I'm about to draw. So the cool thing about reflection is the images are always the same distance away from the line of reflection. So if I'm going to reflect the point A is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces away from the x-axis. So I need to put A prime also 4 spaces away from the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be A prime. B is 1, 2, 3 away, so B prime must be 1, 2, 3 away. C is just 1 away from the x-axis, so C prime is also 1 away. And D is 1 away, so D prime must also be 1 away. If I connect my dots for my new image, I see that they are the same size and the same shape, and they would match up exactly if I were to fold this paper right on the x-axis.
Sick job reflecting, Mrs. Sullivan. Let's take a look at what it's like to reflect over the y-axis now. So, Mrs. Sullivan reflected over the x-axis. Now I want to reflect over the y. So we're going to go over the y to the sky. This is my mirror. So imagine flipping this triangle over that mirror, over the y-axis. Which quadrant would it end up in? That's right, it would end up in quadrant 2. So, very easy to think about. If my point A is at 2, 2, right, 2 units on the x, it has to stay equidistant, which means when it reflects, it's also going to go 2 units to the left on the x-axis, so at -2. And it's also at 2 on the y, so it's going to go to 2 on this y. So the point is -2, 2. That would be my A prime. And again, we can check it's equidistant from the y-axis on both sides and equidistant from the x-axis on both sides. We're going to do the same thing for B. So B is 1, 2, 3, 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4 units. So it's at the point 4, 4. So if I were to reflect it over the y-axis, I still have to stay 4 units from the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm at 4 units, -4 on the x. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And just by looking, we can see, so far, our points are equidistant. Same thing with C, 1, 2, 3, 4, but we stay at 0 on the y. So, reflected over the y, -1, -2, -3, -4. That would be C prime. We're going to draw the image. And upon inspection and looking, it looks like, yes, we reflected beautifully. Nice job. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.